All of these reasons are why I think the TicWatches are a great jumping off point for those skeptical of wearables or those who have never paid them any mind to begin with. Wear OS 2.0 has done a great job of making a robust operating system more accessible, and the TicWatch E2 in particular is at a great price point, with the S2 requiring not much more for its more durable build. For both of these watches at sub $200, there is very little to complain about with the TicWatch when the barrier of entry is so low. That makes these wearables great for new users, old and young alike. If you want to get started with smartwatches, the TicWatch E2 goes for just $159. For the more rugged user who needs a watch that can withstand the elements, the military-grade TicWatch S2 is just $20 more at $179.
15 years ago, I bought a Fossil watch. It wasn't rated for expeditions, much less 47 of them. I've gotten a little smarter since then, but Fossil's gotten way smarter. On the odd day I do find myself at home in Boulder, it goes something like this. Wake up. Knock out a quick pre-dawn climb above town. Maybe do a stupid dance no one should ever see. Except you just did. Damn. Then it's a gear change. See what I did there? Watches have gears, so do bikes. I'm gross and I need a quick shower. No, you can't shower with me. The Laughing Goat keeps Boulder caffeinated, and no one pulls a better shot than Johnny. He knows I tend towards excess, so he just pulls 3. I rally back to the studio, which is really just my apartment, but I call it a studio because it makes me sound way cooler. Make some pictures, get some hugs. Then I jet over to Photograph to sign some huge prints of people's faces. And just when my day is starting to wind down, I get a call from my editor. It's later there than here, so it's probably important. 2 minutes later, I'm booking a last-minute flight to Nepal, throwing a camera in a bag, and wishing I had just one more night at home. But that's not my life. These stories ain't gonna tell themselves. Gotta stay on cue.
Introducing the Arrow Smartwatch with a 360 rotatable camera. With the camera right on the bezel, you can capture a selfie in one moment, twist, then shoot a video in the next. And since you always have a camera on hand, you can snap a quick photo and upload it without breaking your day. And who wants to carry a phone all the time? Keep your hands free and snap amazing shots on the go. But capturing high-quality video and audio on a small device can be a big challenge. At Arrow, we've created a high-def camera and microphone that fits within a tiny footprint. making it easy to capture any moment, at any time, and in stunning detail. This is the world's first smartwatch with a 360 rotatable camera. Arrow.